I'm Michael DeLaGrange, President and CEO of Insurance Lounge. I have a very interesting story of how I got involved in insurance. I grew up with my father owning a small agency here in Grants Pass, Oregon, and I was around the office a lot, but I really never expected to get into insurance. You don't grow up as a young kid, dreaming of being an insurance agent or running an insurance business. I actually had a dream of playing professional football growing up. I was lucky enough to go play at the University of Oregon, have a pretty successful career there, but 2 weeks after my last football game, my senior year at Oregon, I got the call that no one wants to get, and my dad passed away unexpectedly. I was faced with the decision of either following my dream and playing in the NFL or moving back home and making sure our family business could stay open. In reality for me, it was never a choice if I was going to move home and help my mom and my brother keep the family business open. Thrown into the insurance world, even though I grew up in it, didn't have a lot of experience or knowledge. But looking back, it's probably the best thing that could have happened to me because it was a great introduction into a very stable industry that I've really learned to love and respect today. After moving back home and help my family keep the family business open back in 2005, we grew the insurance agency 2 or 3 times the size of it was initially, and I honestly got bored with insurance. Insurance isn't the most exciting business to be in. That was a challenge to me. It wasn't an obstacle that I was going to shy away from. I decided to create an environment that it made insurance fun and more accessible and easy for the consumer to access it. And that is how I came up with Insurance Lounge. The whole Insurance Lounge concept all evolved out of frustrations of what I saw in the industry. I tried to come up with a hybrid that included the online marketplace for insurance and the traditional agency and blend them together. Creating a hybrid between the online marketplace for insurance and the brick and mortar insurance agency was the goal for Insurance Lounge. It was to create competitive advantages that don't currently exist in a single format. Insurance Lounge created some competitive advantages that no other format has. We're open 7 days a week so the consumer can come in before work, after work, on the weekends, whenever it's convenient for them. We also created an atmosphere where the consumer can shop for any type of insurance in one place. We have access to over 100 different carriers to shop their best rates and plans to make sure you get the best deal and best coverage there is available. At Insurance Lounge, we have created the next wave of how people are going to purchase insurance now and into the future. The insurance industry isn't innovating at a rate that most other large businesses are. So I'm glad that Insurance Lounge is on the forefront of innovation and can take this industry into the next century.